Hello friends, in the previous video of the clocks I told we can use a shortcut formula theta is equal to 11 by 2m minus 30h to find the angle between given two clock hands, right? So in this video we will see how we can derive this formula, okay? So if you take a clock, there are 12 hours are there, right? There are 12 hours are there, right? So the 12 hours is equal to 12 hours is equal to, so clock is in the round shape, so it contains 360 degrees, right? So 360 degrees. So that means 1 hour is going to be equal to 360 by 12, so that is 30 degrees, right? So here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so that is going to be equal to 30 degrees again. So that means 1 minute is equal to 1 by 2 degree. Okay, 1 minute is equal to 2 degree. So that means the hour's hand will cover 1 by 2 degree in 1 minute. The hour's hand will cover 1 by 2 degree in 1 minute. So now let's find how much, how many degrees are covered by the minute's hand in 1 minute. So minute's hand will travel, makes one circle in 1 hour. So okay, so that means in the case of the minute's hand, 1 hour is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, why I'm taking 1 hour is equal to 360 degrees? Because the minute's hand will travel all the clock, I mean one round in 1 hour. So that's why 1 hour is equal to 360 degrees. So 1 hour we know that is 60 minutes is equal to 360 degrees. So that means 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. So this is the actually angle covered by the minute's hand. So the hour hand will cover 1 by 2 degree in 1 minute. The minute's hand will cover 6 degrees in 1 minute. Okay. So now let's find the angle between two hands. Let us assume the current time is h hours m minutes. Okay, h hours m minutes. The current time is okay. So now let us find how many minutes are traveled by the hour's hand in h hours m minutes. So the total minutes traveled by the hour's hand in h hours m minutes is given by, we are converting this h hours into minutes, that is h into 60. Why? Because each hour contains 60 minutes plus the given minutes m. So these are the actually total minutes traveled by the hour's hand in h hours m minutes. Okay, so these are the total minutes traveled by the hour's hand. So to find the angle covered in those minutes, so we have to multiply this one by 1 by 2 because we want to find the angle covered by the hour's hand. So that is h into 60 plus m by 2. So these are the total degrees, okay, traveled by the, I mean covered by the hour's hand. Okay, so now let us take the minute's hand. So minute's hand is traveled m minutes only. Okay, we have to take m only. Why? Because if the minutes are between 1 to 60. Okay, 1 to, I mean 1 to 60 minutes, right? So it will cover those many minutes only. So we have to take only m. So if minute's hand travels m minutes, so then in m minutes, each minute it will make 6 degrees. So in m minutes it will make, so 6m degrees. In m minutes it will make 6m degrees, and hour's hand is making h 60h plus m by 2 degrees, right? So now how to find the angle difference between these two? We have to find the subtraction between these two. So this is our first and this is our second. Okay, so here when you are subtracting, you can subtract 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. Why? Because if you see a clock, there may be two possibilities are there. So that is, the hour's hand may be following the minute's hand, right? Or the minute's hand may be following the hour's hand. So that means you can subtract m minus h, I mean the angle made by the minute's hand minus hour's hand, or can subtract that hour's hand, my angle made by the hour's hand minus the angle made by the minute's hand. So that's why you can do here 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. So we take 2 minus 1 and we put that one into the modular, okay, because it will cover both the cases. So that's why I'm putting in the modulus. I'm taking the angle between both of them is equal to theta modulus. So 6m minus the angle made by this one, that is 6h plus m by 2. Okay. So now theta is equal to 6m. So that is going to be equal to, here it is going to be 12m minus 60h plus m by 2. M by 2. So now theta is equal to 12m. I mean this one is minus, right? So minus we take here. This one will also become minus. So 12m minus m. So that is going to be 11m, and this one is by 2. 11 by 2m minus 60h by 2. So that is going to be equal to 30h. So now we got the formula. Okay. So this is our formula, right? So theta is equal to 11 by 2m minus 30h. So this will give the angle between the hours hand and minutes hand. Okay. So otherwise we can use theta is equal to 30h minus 11 by 2m also. Okay, 30h minus 11 by 2m also. So I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment and please subscribe to my channel.